Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Dwood, and today I am feeling very inspired by the Queen Bee, Miss Beyonce. I'm feeling very alien superstar-esque. So I have some products over here and I think I want to create like a really glowy silver inspired look. I don't know if I want to do matte skin or glowy skin, but I know I want the eyes to be like silver. But before we jump into anything, definitely be sure that you're subscribed. We're on the road to 10K, okay? Give the video a thumbs up, it really does help a lot, and drop a comment down below. I want to talk to you guys. I feel like I've done enough talking. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so obviously we're starting off with the complexion. Like I said, I don't know if I want to go glowy or matte, so we're just gonna aim for glowy and then see where that gets us. I'm starting off with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I just really like the texture. Now it's time for the big boy. I'm doing the, what is this again? Strobe Cream from MAC. How the heck did I forget that? I absolutely love strobe cream. I just forget that I have it, to be honest. I have so many other like glow products and stuff like that. I completely forget that I have this. So for foundation, I decided that I'm gonna do the Juvia's Place I Am Natural Radiance. What is it? I Am Magic Natural Radiance. I remember the last time I used this, I was saying how thick it is, and it is very thick. I don't know if you guys got a chance to check out my previous video where I reviewed, but I used the reformulated L'Oreal True Match foundation, and that foundation is like so blendable, versus this one you do kind of have to work a little bit harder to blend everything out. People are saying that this is a makeup by Mario dupe, and I'm not getting that vibe from this. Like, these are two completely separate foundations in my opinion. Y'all are getting a double dose of me. I just filmed yesterday and I'm back filming again, baby. What? Pigs must be flying, child. Can y'all hear my fan? If you can, I'm sorry, but it's getting kind of hot in Atlanta. It's like 70 something degrees. Huh? Like, how did that happen? The pipes and stuff was just freezing. So like I was saying, today's look is inspired by the Queen Bee herself. And I'm really in the mood to listen to some Beyonce, but child, YouTube and this copyright stuff, I don't want no parts, no dealings. Like, for real. This is the Lip Bars Quick Conceal. Wait, what is it called? Yeah, Quick Conceal Concealer in the shade Cinnamon 4. I don't really know what I want to do on the eyes. I just know I have a whole bunch of stuff over here. And honestly, I don't really like silver eyeshadow on me. I think silver is just a very outdated color. Like, you have to kind of do it in a really strategic way for it to look good. So I don't think I don't really feel like dealing with no silvers. But I have like this really pretty gunmetal silvery, I don't know, but I'm just ready to get to the eyes. I should have did my eyes first since I'm so excited for them. The brows were definitely a struggle today, which I think is weird because just yesterday they were perfect. I'm trying to speed through this complexion because I feel like y'all already know. Like, we ready to get to the eyes. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I really can tell that I lost 10 pounds. Like, I feel like I see it here. Am I tripping? So Beyonce is coming to Atlanta August 11th, 12th, and 14th. So if you are looking for a makeup artist to beat your face, go ahead and check me out on Instagram. Go ahead and book me. I have limited availability for those days at this point. And the 12th is completely booked already. So hop on it, girl. The girls are trying to be fly. There's absolutely no way you can go see Beyonce and you not up to par. Like, you gotta give it to the girls. It has to be a whole look. I am not gonna make it to see the Queen Bee. So I feel like if you got tickets, it's your job to record. Like, be quiet, don't say nothing, just hold the camera and, you know, vibe. But don't say nothing. Like, we wanna hear the vocals. And I just know the city is about to go crazy. Like, it's about to be traffic everywhere. I can literally already predict how the highway is gonna look. everything is gonna be hella high because there's gonna be so many people here. Like, I already know it. She's about to shut this city down. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite song is on the Renaissance album. Mine, I think it would have to be Virgo's Groove. I think that's my favorite song, Virgo's Groove. Mainly because that song is just a vibe. Like, come on now. I'm not even no Virgo. I'm a freaking Capricorn. Okay, so we're finally onto the eyes, and today we're gonna be using the Ashley Strong palette by Morphe. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do is first kind of carve out the shape. I don't even know, honestly, to be completely real. I know I want it dark in the outer corner and lighter in the inner. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a warmer brown and just kind of blend out these edges. Let me go back in with this one and just blend this up. I'm gonna just leave that how it is for now. And we're gonna go ahead and add a lid color. This is the color I think I wanna put on my lid. It's called I Am Exact. And I think I'm gonna add like some silver shimmer on top of it. And I also have a silver eyeliner in with that lid color, I Am Exact. And we're just popping this right on top. It's kind of purpley actually, which is what I was expecting actually. I don't know why I said it like I wasn't expecting that. So now I'm just gonna take a clean blending brush and blend out the edges of that eyeshadow. Now I think I'm gonna go in with a black eyeshadow and kind of do like a little angled moment here. Okay, so I found a matte gray eyeshadow, and I'm just using that to kind of blend out these edges some. Y'all, I'm in like heavy focus mode. I honestly forgot I was recording. Okay, I'm gonna take a silver liner, and this is from TEMU, and this is gonna go in my waterline. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and skip to my lashes. I'm gonna be doing a half lash. So with that being said, I'm gonna need to really pile up this mascara. So let's go ahead and do that. When you're doing half lashes, I find that you really have to focus more so on the inner lashes and like the middle, because a lash is going to be on the outer portion. These are the lashes that I'm using. They're half lashes, and they actually don't really look like much in the container, but girl, once you put this on your eye and you got some good mascara to go with it, it gives. Trust and believe. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye and then come back because this took a lot of focus. So today I'm gonna be using the Pat McGrath, what is this even called? Skin Fetish Divine Blush in the shade Love Struck. And I'm gonna try to keep it high. Let me finish wiping off the rest of this bake here. I think I need a little bit more dimension to my blush, so I think I'm gonna add a little bit of this Dior 999. So I feel like I still need, like, something is missing, but I'm gonna go ahead and skip to my lip, because sometimes all you need is a lip. Like, sometimes you think you're missing something and it's really just that you need a lip. Okay, so for lips, I think I want something very, very, let me see. I think this is gonna work. So this is the Dose of Colors Velvet Mousse. I actually really hate the texture of this, but I'm gonna put a gloss on top of it anyway, so it's okay. Like I said, I really did want this to be really nude. That's cute, actually. Okay, let me see. This is the look. I love it. That's fire. I did that. Okay. All right, guys. So this is the look. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Let me know what your favorite part of the look is. I think mine would have to be the lashes, the silver liner, and the blush. that to me, like those three aspects just kind of make the look a look, if you get what I'm saying. But I'm about to let y'all go. I'm gonna go ahead and take some pictures. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. If you are subscribed, thank you so much, and I'll see y'all in the next video.